Good morning from Shorewood, Illinois. Took the kids out this morning for a little car show similar to the one we had yesterday. It's a little nipply out here today. Anyway, let me spin you around. Our first car that we came in on. Isn't she beautiful? Dodge Challenger. I believe it's 1972, I think the sign said. On to the next. Anyway, I'm not going to do this the whole time. Look at this. It's just starting, I guess. Well, it's been here for a while, but this just give you an idea. They got demonstration out their car. They got fire trucks. Kids already got hats. Got the fire department personnel standing there. Anyway, kids are already ahead of me, so see you guys around. And do you guys see that? Look at a Rebel. I'll take some pictures, probably post an album later on. Have a good day, guys.